Let's make a Palakkad style puli curry. Very easy, just make in 2 minutes. Don't waste time, let's go on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 2 guests. We need 50 grams of tamarind. Add 3 cups of water. Extract the pulp. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Combine well and set it aside. Onto a pot, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and let the mustard seed wax. Quarter teaspoon of fenugreek. 5 pieces of dry red chilies. Give a quick stir. Add finely sliced 15 pieces of shallots. 5 pieces of chili slit and few curry leaves, and saute on a very low heat until the shallots turn to golden in color. When the shallots are golden in color, add half cup of water, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and reduce into half, and add the tamarind water. Bring to boil. Let it simmer on a very low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Check the salt, add if we need it. Turn off the heat and enjoy. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.